Today guys, I'm gonna show you how I make my all-time favorite salad with lentil. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today guys, I'm gonna show you how I make my all-time favorite salad with lentil.
So let's get started. Here are the ingredients: the lentil, black lentil, cucumber, green, red, and yellow bell pepper, tomato, parsley, and romaine lettuce. First thing to do is to boil the lentil with water. The ratio to cook the lentil is 1:2. 1 cup of lentil is 2 cups of water. I just used this time a half cup of lentil, so I will use a cup of water and boil it until it's cooked. Then cool it and set aside. Then I will dice the rest of the vegetables. And for the dressing, I have lemon, olive oil, cinnamon powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Then mix the cooked lentil and the vegetables and mix it through. So there you have it guys. It's super easy, super healthy, and super delicious lentil vegetable salad. And I hope you give it a try and let me know in the comments section below how you like it. Thank you guys for always watching, and I'll see you in the next video.